Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is focused on the eyes. I will leave all the products I use for this look in the description box. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion. This is going to ensure that my eyeshadow lasts throughout the day. I'm going to lay down some concealer, which is going to color correct my eyelids and give me an even base. And I'm going to blend it out with this fluffy brush. Just a little background on myself. I am a self-taught makeup artist. I've been doing clients since 2013. And I really wanted to bring back the basic makeup tips and looks on my channel. I do have a playlist, Makeup for Beginners, and I'll be adding more content to it. So if you are new to makeup or want to learn some different techniques, I hope you enjoy it. I'm just blending that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with Dermablend's translucent powder to set it. And this is just going to set the concealer in place. And then I'm going to go in with my first eyeshadow, which is MAC Soft Brown. It's a light peachy brown. And I'm going to blend that right above the crease and the brow bone. And the key that I've learned about smoky eyes over the years is layering eyeshadows from lightest to darkest, creating a gradient, and keeping most of the darkest shade on the mobile lid. And it's nice to have a few different blending brushes. This is a fluffy brush. This is the Dillium Tools Brush 785. And I'm going in with MAC Shadow, which is a medium orange brown, and I'm blending that right under the soft brown color. And then I'm going to take Swiss Chocolate, which is a taupey reddish brown, and that's going to go right in the crease. And I'm just using the same brush. And then I'm going into I'm Into It, and that's going to go right over Swiss Chocolate. And all those browns, they just all are blending together seamlessly. Then I'm going to go into Sugarpill's Poison Plum. This is going to be my pop of color in my black smoky eye. So me personally, I like to use purple or a burgundy just to give me that transition color between the black smoky eye and just make it pop a little bit more. So layering all those shadows on top of each other just helps everything just have a seamless blend. And you don't have to use these exact shadows. You can use whatever you have. A good palette I would say for beginners would be Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. That is a good palette. It has a black in it, has a burgundy, some golds. And I'm going directly in with that black. And I'm using a little bit more of a denser brush to blend out that black. And this is Sugarpill's Bulletproof. And I'm just going to blend that into the purple. Just taking my time. I would suggest definitely changing your brush. So I'm going back with that other brush and a little bit of that purple and just blending it in with the black. And this is the time when you're doing your eyeshadow, when you're going back and forth, you're adding shadow, you're blending shadow out, just making sure you achieve the look you want. I want to make sure that I have enough black in the crease. I'm going to be laying down a base for my smoky eye, a black gel liner. That's going to give me that intensity on my eye. So I want to make sure that I have a nice transition of the black and purple. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. So any gel or pencil as a base for a smoky eye, I would recommend. You can use gel liners, you can use NYX Jumbo Stick, you can use a regular just eye pencil for a base. That's going to give you that intensity on the lid. Just taking the time to blend. See, it's giving that nice smoky black in the crease with the purple. I'm going back in just to make sure that brow bone is blended out. So I use gel liner. I put it in the center of my eyelid and I just blended it out. And then I went ahead and set that gel liner with the black eyeshadow. I'm just adding lashes here. And for smoky eyes or any intense look, I would definitely recommend doing your eyes first and then your foundation. I'm adding some black liner to the waterline. So this is going to help me get that smoky look on the lash line. And I'm bringing the liner down a little bit on my lashes. I'm just grooving right there. And then I'm going in with that black shadow and I'm just going to smoke out that gel liner and bringing it up to the top part of my eye. And that's really just creating that smoke from the top to bottom. And then I'm going to go in with that purple shadow again, and I'm just going to blend out further down below that black and just tying it in to the top of my eye. It just really gives more of a smoky look. And you can use this technique with any color eyeshadow. Burgundy, pink, purples, and then I'm going to add a pop of color in the inner corner. This is a copper shade from Kat Von D. I love these metallic eyeshadows. This is Doce. And you can have fun with makeup. Do whatever colors you want in the inner corner. You can even put glitter in your inner corner, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm just going to finish out the rest of the look. Here is the final look. This is the black smoky eye. Before you go, leave me some comments down below. Let me know if this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.